Navigating the maze of financial aid can be daunting, but fear not. We're here to guide you through the essential steps to complete the 2023-24 FAFSA form, unlocking the treasure trove of grants, scholarships, and student loans for your college adventure. First things first, your FSA ID is your personal key to the kingdom. Students, create yours with care, and parents, you'll need one too if you're backing a dependent student. Each ID is unique, so no sharing allowed. With your FSA ID in hand, sprint over to FAFSA.gov. Students, click I am a student, and parents select I am a parent filling out a FAFSA form. Pick the right academic year, and if you're a seasoned applicant, the renewal option is your time-saving friend. Next up, the save key. Unlike the FSA ID, this temporary password is for sharing, making it a breeze to collaborate on the form, even from afar. Now detail your demographics with precision. Stick to the name on your social security card, no nicknames here. Dream big and list all potential schools up to 10 at once. And don't stress, they won't know who else is on your list. Tackle the dependency status questions to see if you're flying solo or if parent info is needed. Dependent students, this is your cue. Parents, step into the spotlight. Your basic info is needed regardless of your living situation. Use the FAFSA guidance to figure out who counts as a parent. Let's talk dollars and cents. The IRS data retrieval tool is your shortcut to importing tax info, cutting down on paperwork and saving precious time. You're almost there. Sign off with your FSA ID and hit submit. Students, if you began with your ID, no need to enter it again. Parents, don't forget your signature too. But wait, there's more. File early to snag more aid, as many funds are first come, first served. Dodge common blunders like incorrect info or late filing. Use the IRS tool for spot-on income reporting. Consider lowering your reportable income by managing capital gains and losses wisely. Pay down debt to shrink reportable assets and boost aid eligibility. Stash savings in the parent's name for a lower assessment rate. Got siblings? Enroll them together to potentially slash the expected family contribution and amplify aid. Balance the American Opportunity Tax Credit with other tax strategies, but watch out for double dipping if you're using a 529 account. And remember, even if you doubt you'll get aid, file the FAFSA. It's the gateway to low-cost loans and a plethora of scholarships. Surprises in financial aid can be delightful. Armed with these steps and tips, you're ready to conquer the FAFSA with confidence. Precision and clarity aren't just for forms, they're for life, especially when it comes to securing your educational future. Forge ahead, future scholars, your academic odyssey awaits.